Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the logic board on the Oneplus Nord 2 mobile phone. First, turn off the phone, eject the SIM tray, and follows with the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, apply heat around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is on the bottom of the cover. Gently lift the cover using a pry tool. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. This process will take time and gently pull out the back cover from the body. Next, take out the flashlight sensor plug bracket and then disconnect the plug. Next, undo 9 screws securing the board cover and then pull out the cover using a pry tool. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, pull out the not working logic board from the body. First, disconnect and pull out the front camera. Next, disconnect and pull out the wide, ultra wide and depth cameras from the logic board. Next, disconnect both antenna heads. Next, disconnect both main flex connector plugs and the charging port plug from the logic board. And then undo the screw securing the board. Next, gently pull out the logic board using a tweezer. Next, gently place the new logic board in the frame and secure the board by adding the screw. Next, secure both main flex plugs and then the charging port plug to the logic board. Next, secure two antenna heads to the board. Next, place and secure the wide, ultra-wide and depth cameras into the logic board. Next, place and secure the front camera in the board. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, place the board cover and secure it by adding 9 screws. Next, connect the flashlight connector plug and then secure the bracket. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tighten the rear cover to the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.